Hello and welcome back to Darcy. I'm your host, Darcy. Hello, Darcy. I'm Darcy. Darcy desu. My name is Darcy. Today I'm here down in Myst, down off the Kingsway in Burnaby, British Columbia. Today I am trying out Taiwanese baseball related food to cheer on the Chinese Taipei as a battle it out in the Tokyo Dome to advance to the next round in the World Series Baseball Classic. So first up here I have Danzi Me In. It smells very hot too. It smells very lovely. It gives me the little bit of that dashi smell. Obviously, kind of like when having Japanese ramen. So I'm looking forward to having this. This is quite nice. It smells very nice. Has some minced pork, some egg noodles, fresh egg, a little bit of cilantro on top, some diced up scallions. It was very beautiful, by the way. Got a nice iron egg here. So I'm just going to set this here for now. Let's take a little picture of that here before we, as I keep on getting more food coming in. So are you guys watching the World Series Baseball? Or you can comment down below. Gotta take a little picture of that. This looks so good. Looks very hot too. But yes, Taiwan is known for having tons of great food. They're known for chou tofu, which is stinky tofu. It's a fermented tofu with a very foul smell. When I go to Taiwan next year, I'm going to go to Dai's House of Steak. It is known for having the most stinkiest tofu in Taiwan. Taiwan is a very great place. I went in 2017. I stayed in Taipei, and next year when I go, I do plan to attend the baseball games. Like I might go see the brothers baseball team play. Because Taiwan is very passionate about baseball as Canadians are to hockey, right? So anyhow, I'm looking forward to going to Taiwan and helping out there and as much as I can because I love the Taiwanese people. They're always good. I need Taiwan. Anyhow, today I'm here to taste their street food from their night market series of food here. Thank you to the owner of Myst for the great food here today. I did film here a while ago interviewing Eric Young, so today I can do a little bit more in-depth food analysis on my own today. And it was a fun interview. I'm going to be doing some more interviews soon with Yuri Hoyan, who's a voice actress, as well as a visual artist, and also Bika Masaki, who's a koto player and is a very awesome individual. So anyhow, today I'm going to be doing a little tasting here, and then I'll be going to grill soon as well. So it should be really good. Awesome. So next up here, I got some fried tempura here, some fried fish cake tempura. Great for baseball games. So on the looks of it here, we got a spicy sauce here too, which is good. We're just getting everything all organized here, so get the best for my bite. So just give me one sec here, guys. My device is quite slow on me today, so that's all good here. I'm just gonna take a little photo here. But yes, Myst is an awesome Taiwanese restaurant, by the way. So it's great for after movies because I like to come here with my my panyo and come here for dinner because the service is great, friendly staff, always helpful, and all this. So it's always good to just come out, have a nice meal. I'm just gonna wait for. I got 2 more items coming. And I'm looking forward to giving them both a proper try. So this is Taiwanese fish cake that's been tempura battered, and then they have some pickles here to contrast the saltiness of the batter, and then it has a sweet and spicy sauce here that they use for other dishes as well. But yes, I highly recommend giving Taiwanese food a try. If you haven't done yet, I highly recommend you do. But anyhow, like when I go to Taiwan next year, I'm going to try to go through different regions. I'm going to go to Taoyuan, Taichung, Kaohsiung. I know Taiwan is quite popular with their baseball as well as their cheerleaders as well. A lot of their cheerleaders produce music such as the Rakuten Monkeys, Mu Yan and Linda and Chu Yi. Overall, Taiwan has quite a few teams because Rakuten owns one team in Chiba, Japan, and then they also own the Rakuten Monkeys as well. So it's quite fascinating overall because they have so many baseball teams, and overall it's quite interesting. I gotta say, if you are in Taiwan, go check out the night markets obviously. But today, we're doing night market food here in Burnaby, so I'm looking forward to this meal. It does look very delicious so far. I just got 2 more items coming and we'll eat, so it's all good. Overall, it smells quite good here. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna have a small bite here as I wait for our food here. So I'm just gonna do a little dip action here. Take a look. It's quite nice. It is very hot chip, very delicious. It has a very nice salt level to it. I would never be able to tell that there was fish in there, but it has a very nice light fry because it's a fish paste, so it has it's different texturally than other tempura, but it's very nice. So I'll probably have the Danzi Me In to start, then I'll switch out to the next couple dishes here. And this, awesome sashimi. So this is quite a popular dish in Taiwan. It's a rice sausage, and inside it is filled with garlic and pickles, with sweet sauce on top, with sweet Taiwanese sausage inside. This is very hot chip. I ate this in Taipei. It was very beautiful, by the way. It's a quite nice bite, by the way. I'm just going to take another photo here, and we just got one last item coming, and then I will start to enjoy this meal here with you guys. So, that's all good here. Let's do this coffee up here. Smells so good. So we just got one last dish coming up, and then I will start by eating this Danzi Me In because this is very hot. Then I'm going to switch out to this. I'll rotate between the Danzi Me In and the fish tempura. I am looking forward to having this. I do love Taiwanese food, and it's quite nice here. Hopefully I don't get copyright strike again. This time it'll be Paramount, but it's all good, or DreamWorks, but it's all good. It's so good. Anyhow, we are so close here. We just have one last item, and then I'll begin this mukbang for you guys here. I am quite hungry. I haven't really eaten that much today, so it's all good here. Anyhow, it's not too badly in terms of busyness right now. It's actually good to come here early to film like I did yesterday at Suda. Because yesterday when I filmed that soda, I went when there was not that many people around, so it was a little bit more easier to film. Thankfully, it gives me a little bit more of a relaxed time for my filming. Gotta say, I enjoy the liveliness of people here, and it's quite nice. But yes, it's all good here. So, are you guys watching the Chinese Taipei game at all? You can comment down below. I got all my gear on, so it's all good. I am quite good here. Today is quite cold out. It didn't rain in the morning, but now it's raining right now. It's going to continue to get quite colder here in BC. I'm just trying to figure out my next round of interviews and stuff like that for you guys, because I want to continue to entertain you, obviously, and have good interviews with local politicians and locals in general who are contributing to helping Vancouver and continue to help out us. So it's all good. Gotta say, it's quite nice here. It's a nice, relaxed atmosphere here. Gotta say, I do enjoy coming here. By the way, you can collect points, and they just opened up a brand new location down in Kerrisdale in downtown Vancouver. I live in Vancouver, but because I was at a book signing here earlier today, I decided to just walk for 7 minutes, grab the and do the filming here now, because it was just an overall better move, in my opinion, anyhow. Just because I want to get the filming done out of the way with, then afterwards I can go home and relax, have a nice quiet evening, which is the main goal. I was going to go to the European market today, but I think after I'm done over here in Burnville, I'll just probably go relax, play some Yakuza, watch some baseball. I'll do a little housework first, obviously, then I'll relax. But still, like, the atmosphere here in Myst is quite nice. Usually here on Friday nights it's very packed because many people are getting off from Metrotown, watching movies over there. I usually go to Metrotown to watch movies with my panyos and chingus, so it's always good to try to support local industry, right? So we gotta work together and help out all these support local businesses, because every day it seems to be an occurrence of local restaurants closing, and we don't want that. So it's highly important that we work together and support Chinese Taipei and local businesses, right? So I'm trying to encourage people to watch the baseball games and support local restaurants that are featuring the baseball games right now. Like me, I will probably watch the games as much as I can. I know Japan won last year, but I'm pulling for Taiwan. Like, Japan is very efficient with Shohei Ohtani. Obviously, has been a factor for Team Japan, because he is obviously a really good player, a really great player, and one of the top players right now in baseball. So it's always good to see that. But overall, it's pretty good. I gotta say, I'm looking forward to watching Taiwan do their thing, and hopefully they win. I gotta say, this hot soup does feel quite good on this very cool day right now. But it's all good. I'm quite happy to come out, have some fun, just get out, enjoy my city. Like, it's good. You always gotta go out, show support. But I gotta say, like, when I go to Taiwan, I will try to showcase the baseball food as well. So. I say with the pickles, very hot chip. I like the spicy sauce, it's very good. Overall, the food here is always fantastic. Like, it's tough to find very consistent restaurants here in Vancouver, I've noticed, but like Japanese restaurants and Taiwanese restaurants seem to always have consistently good food. Same with Korean food as well, but it depends on what chef you obviously have in and cooking for you during the day, right? So overall, can't complain, right? Sorry guys, I'm a little bit hungry here. I'm just gonna eat the little ones here because I am a little peckish right now. So. It does these do sort of remind me of the king mushrooms that I have at the Richmond Night Market. Very spongy, but still very nice because of the batter on top. Very beautiful light. And they cover it with salty pepper on top, so it adds a little bit of flavor to it. It's quite a nice bite. Overall, so far so good. We're just waiting for our last dish, and then we're good here for good. So good. Gonna have some water here. A little bit thirsty, so. I think next time I'll do a basket next time, because they have breakfast here as well, and then they also have special offers as well, like they have shalom bao and what else is here? Green onion pancakes and beef wrap, so good. But I think next time I'm here, I'll go with the combo. So overall, it's pretty good. Sorry about that. So good. Overall, what team are you rooting for in the World Series of Baseball? Anyhow, you can comment down below. If you've had one of these Taiwanese dishes, just let me know down below. I gotta say, it's quite a nice broth here. It's like it has a very nice yellowish amber to it. It's nice. I've heard good things about Danzi Me In, so today is my first time trying Danzi Me In, so I'm hoping it's very hot shit. I've had this before, but overall, yeah, I'm just going to be eating this and having a nice time with you, obviously, because we all got busy lives right now, but it's all good. Yeah, so recently on my channel, I got to feature Shohei Ohtani's Ito En, because he advertises it quite oftentimes online and at grocery stores. You see Shohei Ohtani featured, and they all have Ito En. And here's our last dish here coming up. Pretty
sticky rice.
Awesome. It looks very hot chip. Awesome. So this is our last dish. So it's Taiwanese sticky rice, and this has like fresh pickles on it. Very beautiful. It by the looks of it has like fresh pork chunks. It has some nice pickles here. Just this overall happiness here. So yay, we get to eat here, guys. So I'm just gonna take one last little photo of everything here.
Is this the guy that I followed for a while?
That looks so hot chip. These guys are always awesome, so and there we go. You got Instagram before you eat it now. So anyhow, let's begin by eating here. I'm going to have the Danzi Me In here first. Here is our Danzi Me In. So this is a traditional Taiwanese soup. It has egg noodles. We got some nice beautiful prawns, some eggs here. Some nice pork on top here. Some nice scallions, some bean sprouts. So let's dig in here. That's actually a beautiful broth. It's very meaty and very fragrant. It sort of reminds me of a dashi broth. Very hot so far. So this is the marinated egg. Oh, that's so good. Has a very rich soy flavor to it. And I can taste the Chinese Taipei spice to it too. It's quite nice. So I'm going to drink this broth, then I'm going to eat the noodles. Oh, it's so good. On the days you work in the office, you have to... I can see why Danzi Me In is very popular. It's very flavorful. Very hot chip. Now we're going to enjoy the egg noodles here. Forgive me, I'm going to do it Italian style here. Try to get a very nice bite here. So I got a nice little bite here with the with a little bit of the meat and the veggies on top. That is very hot chip. Or it's very very suave, very much style. It's quite nice. It's all good here, so just going to keep on enjoying here. I know I'm doing it the Italian way. I know it's a little bit sacrilegious, but let's have a little piece of shrimp here. That's just really nice. Very meaty, delicious. So good. The egg noodles are so good. Firm, delicious, eggy goodness. I'm actually glad I did not get the fried basket, but I'll do it next time because I saw it from a neighboring table and it was very hot chip. But so far so good. Everyone here has been pretty awesome. So I'm almost done the noodles here. Then I'll move on to this. Then we'll do this next, and then this next. So. So good. Just give me one second here. The meat are. Just want to make sure that.
Yeah, I would. Do you remember like if last year had juice?
Perfect.
It might have been like it was supposed to be. Yeah, exactly right. Like I think that happened and went through. I think that would have been probably the best year of movies. Spider-Man. Yeah, Barbie.
I'd say for a small dish, it's very filling, but it's good. It's a good type of filling.
They are good. I don't know. I don't know why I haven't. I don't have the same taste that I do. But I don't know why. Because they're like good movies, good actor, obviously. No, but I'm not Fast and Furious. Yeah. It's so.
Oh, so good.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think. Oh, they're all Yeah. Yo, next one is really good though. You ever, I already
So good.
the last one, right? With he was a good villain. And it was cool because the way that song was.
Just finishing this off.
So I just think coming out next year. Well, we should touch that. Yeah.
So good. So next up, we're going to have this here. This goodness here. This happy. And after that, we're going to move on to this beautiful bit of food here. So good. Seems very good.
Okay. I probably won't know. I just put my
is very hot trip. The food here is amazing. I do love Myst consistency. They've been at the bubble tea festival quite a few times, so you can watch my upcoming video of me talking to Eric Young here at Myst, just on the other side of the restaurant, but it's all good. I'd say their chef here, awesome. These pickles are quite nice for putting for the fried food. So. But the consistency is quite nice. So this is the inside of the fish cake. Because usually fish cakes are round, but this one's a flattened version, which is quite nice. So. I think next time I'm here, I'll do the fried basket. Because, so this restaurant here has been around 7 years, so it's over there. So, and gotta say, these guys are awesome. So. So good.
Oh, that's it. You know?
Almost done. And 2 more dishes, and we're doing really good here in terms of time. So.
It's funny, sometimes you get lazy on this, and then you know to it, sometimes like you just spot things. Like I've been to both of them, where I'm like, what happened when I was like, wow, that was the best thing yet. Yeah, that's fair. I remember when I saw it,
So far, very Aksha, Hosek, very Machisayo, very Ushides.
yeah, exactly. Yeah. Ragnarok was good. Ragnarok was so awesome. So Ragnarok was. I think mine's a little. I think it's gone. But. Oh yeah.
So far, so good.
That's how he upgraded them for real. I'd say I probably give it this guy.
Solid. So next up, I have this list. I have this quite a bit at Rockville Night Market. It's quite nice looking. And I'm not going to lift it up and eat it, unfortunately. I'm going to have to pick away at it because I want to keep my hands clean for filming after. So let's do this puppy up here. So here's the sausage here.
And then I would hate getting hammered, and I would wait on the next day so long. And I'm like, I just stopped drinking. So I would say, I would go like a month without drinking. I would
It's a little bit sweet, salty, goodness. It's quite very hot trip.
like, you know, we were drinking for views actual drink.
This is going to be a little bit fun to try to eat. So we got a piece here with some garlic here.
I'll drink like I'll drink either yeah, and I'll want to say Austin, but I'll drink that like probably depends what I'm doing. Easy ball. Oh yeah. Well, it's funny,
So it's mini sausages. Well, in Taiwan they usually do full sausage, but this one they used mini sausages to do this puppy up here. So I try to get a very nice bite here of everything together. So. So it's like a glutinous rice hot dog. It's obviously bun. Very nice, very sticky, very nice bite into. I'm actually quite surprised they never did a sweet version of the hot dog, but it's all good. We're almost done here, guys.
Yeah, that's part of it.
One more dish.
Yeah.
Just trying to taste myself because I'm getting a little bit full, but it's all good. I mean, I haven't really eaten all of these, so.
I don't think it was most of it. Yeah, exactly.
We're almost done, guys. We're almost done. This is what the rice bun looks like. I'd say it's quite an interesting texture overall, but it's very, very good.
I go in there not having any computer on it. No, I'm not anything. And then the doctor comes in and he's like,
That's so good. And for our final dish here, we have the sticky rice with the same sauce that they used for the fried tempura, for the fish cake tempura. So let's have a little bite here. It looks so hot-shire. So let's get our first bite going here. Here is our first official bite of the sticky rice here. It's very aromatic, very earthy. The beautiful pork inside here has a nice salty consistency. The spicy sauce helps out on the top. It's very hot and sure. I'll say they got like nice pieces of mushroom in here too. So this has a mixture of mushrooms, seafood, and pork. So if you look here, we got the mushroom here, then we got a little small piece of shrimp here.
There's this scene in
Very good. Can't complain so far here. We are almost finished.
Yeah, we're grateful.
So good.
We're grateful because that was a month prior to what happened. Worst case
D1. Squid, yeah.
I heard a story of someone telling me a story of someone that
I am doing really well. Playful. Thankfully, this is my last dish. Everything here was quite small in terms of size, but overall very good quality.
I say all that just because everything works out.
Two meals, 2 key meals.
Doing okay.
Drink? What's the other because you were 2 meals,
So next time I film, I'm going to do the 5 baskets, and we'll have some pijo. I'll see if they can switch out the Corona pijo for Jingdao pijo. Unfortunately, they don't have Taiwan pijo, because in Taiwan they're known for Taiwan pijo or Taiwan beer. And if you watch my YouTube channel, you can see me doing a tasting of every flavor of Taiwan pijo.
Wait, I'm trying to know. The big one that so the big one, whoever it Holy shit, yeah, they're really crazy.
Hi, hello. Hi. Okay, what's the please? What's the please?
Oh my goodness.
So next time I'll try to take you guys to Anton's as well.
They gotta give you like a lifetime discount or something. Yeah, it's good. It's a good vibe. It's not big guy. Really happy big guys. I guess you get ice cream as well now. Well, yeah, it is.
You can subscribe. You can check.
No. Oh, it's $1 or something.
Oh, it's so good. Almost done. Sorry, I'm just a little bit tired out. It's very filling. So the Danzi Me In was quite a nice start. And the fried food was a little bit hard to go down as well because it's fried, right? So fried food tends to fill people up faster.
Like, where are the 7-Elevens?
No, I'm not asking you about It's like Taiwanese food.
See, that's not
Eat and tea. But it's spelled E-E. It is a E, but it's actually a C. From the
It's because they're new side. We didn't
yeah, I thought I heard it. It's like something good. It's not.
I didn't drink this.
That stuff was good.
So far, my favorite bite, I'd say this was my favorite bite, cheese sticky rice. Second best was the Danzi Me In. Well, how do I put it here? They were all equally good in their own way. But they were all very hacha, oshirasu, swad.
Wait, imagine you just do that. That's it. Somewhere else, like the map. Oh, Korea, sorry. Hold on. The last thing
I'm officially done.
Which one's one that we... Oh no, yeah. That was a good time. That might have been my next.
So many things.
Well, guys, that was a very good meal here. We ate everything. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel in the morning, but gotta say overall, it was sorry about that here. Very delicious meal here. Just going to help these guys out here a little bit here because the staff here have been incredibly awesome. Everything here, and put aside here because these guys did a fantastic job. So anyhow, I'd like to say thank you as always for watching. Shishini, arigato, shukriya, kamsamida. I thank you all for watching. Thank the awesome staff here for the great meal. It was very fun. Let's go Team Taiwan. I thank you all for watching. Anyhow, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Thank you as always for watching. I've been your host, Darcy. Until next time, goodbye.